We'll see how to make a watercress syrup in today's video to help with coughs and colds. Unquestionably, syrups are among the greatest treatments for respiratory problems, particularly natural syrups that may be prepared at home. In addition to providing nutrients that the body needs for a stronger immune system, syrups have expectorant qualities that assist remove secretions from the airways. So you can learn how to make a watercress syrup in today's video, which has medicinal qualities that can aid with coughs, colds, and the flu. If you like it, please reply yes in the comment area. If you don't, please leave your opinion. We can discuss together. Have you had watercress before? Do you incorporate watercress into your meals?
Watercress is a source of vitamins A, C, B3, and E, as well as copper, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and iodine.
These minerals act as natural antibiotics to treat a variety of illnesses. Do you realize that? Watercress syrup's decongestant, expectorant, and fluidifying effects aid in lungs detoxification. Additionally, it facilitates lung lubrication, which lessens coughing, sore throats, and inflammation of the upper airways. Isn't that amazing? Homemade watercress syrup for cough and cold. Write down the ingredients. 1 bundle of leaves and stalks from watercress, thoroughly washed. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of honey. Directions. Get the water to boil. When it reaches a boil, turn off the heat, stir in the watercress, and then cover the pot. Give it 15 minutes to infuse. Add sugar after straining. Return it to low heat and continue cooking it until a thick syrup forms. To keep it from burning or sticking to the bottom of the pot, stir often over lower heat, allowing the syrup to remain with the lid covered for 2 hours. After that, add honey. Stir. Then keep the syrup in a lidded, sterilized glass container. This syrup should be consumed 3 times a day, 1 tablespoon at a time. Despite the fact that it is natural, you should still seek medical advice. This syrup may have avoided symptoms from a variety of sources, such as allergies, infections, or viruses. In case of fever, malaise, green phlegm, or shortness of breath, it might be a significant problem that needs medical treatment. Don't forget to test this recipe and share your thoughts with me afterwards. Thanks for spending some time with me today. I'm glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give me a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.